Hi, this is Jeff with Sabe, and in this video we're going to talk about Sabe's attachment system. So initially we're going to talk about Sabe's document management system, which is really cool and really big and really scalable, and it's a wonderful thing, but without a problem, it's just a solution. So instead we're going to talk about a problem that I think we all can relate to. You've got paper, you've got photographs, you've got PDFs and Excel spreadsheets and a whole bunch of information that you've got in different directories on your computer, on the server, in physical files, in your desktop. It's everywhere. You're not sure if you have the right version, somebody else wants to look at it and they never give it back, blah, blah, blah. We know the problem. So we should have a way to digitally store all that information, which we certainly do, but a way that allows us to attach that information to entities in our ERP system in Sabe. So the pictures of the photograph, the photographs of the item are attached to the item, and the purchase order confirmation is attached to the purchase order. And it should be safe and reliable, and it should be universal so that when someone looks at that item, they can get all the attached documents right away. Well, we do have that. Let's go to Sabe. So in Sabe, this is a bike demo database. I'm going to pull up a pad, a disc brake pad, this one right here. And I'll double click on it to throw into edit. And you can see that we have no primary image right now, and we have no attachments. I've got two photographs on my desktop. I'm going to grab those photographs and just drop them onto the attachments list. And what Sabe just did is upload those files to Sabe, create documents in the document management system, and then create attachments from this item to those documents. So this is a first-class document right now. We can search through it. It's updated. It's backed up. It's encrypted. It's the first-class deal in Sabe's document management system. If I take one of these and I edit it and I call it primary, and then I save and reopen this item, we now see that that particular photograph is used as the primary image. So that means that if we want, it can show up on our marketing information, it can show up on our bills of material, it can show up on our pick list to make sure that people are picking the right thing and building the right thing. Further, I've got an email right here. I'll go back to attachments, and I'll drag the contents of the email in. And now, close that email, I have an engineering document, and I can call that ENG. So once again, if I'm configured properly, if I place a purchase order to a vendor that's selling me this, I can attach this engineering document to the purchase order. If I'm sending a work order to the floor because I want to manufacture this item, I can automatically attach an engineering document, so when they do the final inspection, they can verify against the most recent engineering document. Again, first-class item or first-class document. So right mouse click and a download document. It opens up easily in my web browser. Moreover, if I do a right mouse click and I say document information, I can see all the information, a thumbnail, which is a little spread out for this item. I can see the information about the document, the history, upload, access, and I can actually put in document keywords so that I can search for this item in the document management system. So, what has an attachment? Everything has an attachment. Items, customers, vendors, purchase orders, quotes, sales orders, lot numbers, so we can attach certificates of conformity to lot numbers. Everything in Sabe has an attachment, or can have an attachment. And because it indexes right into the document management system, we can set up access control lists to control who in our organization can see those documents, but also who outside of our immediate organization can see those documents. So if we have a partner, a vendor, or customer logging in through a partner portal, they can see those attachments and they can see those attached documents. So that when we're buying something from a vendor, if he doesn't have the latest and greatest, he can just go onto his vendor portal for your company in Sabe and look up his items, the items that he sells to you, and look at all the engineering documents attached to those items, similarly with customers. So it is a big problem that we all have, and a simple solution when you use Sabe's document management system. And we'll talk about more solutions in the next video. Till then.